the business report, amid the increase in online scamming schemes and bank card phishing, some entrepreneurs share skepticism in using online payment methods despite their increasing popularity and usage. But Jermaine Bryan, business developer and startup coach, says while vigilance is necessary, payment gateways are a secure option for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises to do business. A recent study conducted by the agency shows that 32% of MSMEs are aware of the benefits associated with digital technologies, while 17% have adopted more foundational technologies like e-commerce. NCB Jamaica Limited is introducing a new tap-on-phone contactless payment solution, currently being piloted with a select number of its micro, small, and medium-sized customers. The tap-on-phone feature will enable Android users to accept payments using contactless EMV chip cards or any near-field communication-enabled device, including wearables or a digital wallet like NCB Pay. Merchants using NCB's ePOS will receive settlements in their NCB Jamaica dollar and US dollar bank accounts as fast as the next day, including weekends, enabling them to have quick access to their money. Deputy CEO of Grace Kennedy Financial Group, Stephen Whittingham, is the new chairman of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, succeeding Julian Mayer, who is ineligible for re-election as chairman of the board. The JSE also has a new deputy chairman in Stephen Gooden, former CEO of NCB Capital Market, who replaces Whittingham. Mayberry Jamaican Equities says its bond offering has been oversubscribed. The company closed the offer on Wednesday. The basis of allotment of the MJE bonds will be published on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. Now, let's get the latest updates on the financial markets from Denise Williams.
During the trading for the period of the week, June 17 to June 21, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 10,997,949 units amounted to 12.41% of the market volume in terms of sales. Omni Industries Limited with 9,074,431 units amounted to 10.24% of the market volume in terms of sales. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 8,822,709 units amounted to 9.96% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 21, 2024, registered a volume of 82,192 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $1,241,087 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 79 cents. Massey Holdings was the volume leader with 35,182 shares changing hands for a value of $142,675 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 54 cents, followed by National Enterprises Limited with a volume of 10,469 shares being traded for 34,930 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 39 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 21, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $51.5 million was bought from Forex traders while US $56.3 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.59 and bought the US dollar for $155.20. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.39, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.15 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.60 and bought for $113.45. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.47, selling it for $196.49 and buying it for $193.02. For our credit report tip of the day, let's look at what happens when you experience a financial setback, but then get a windfall of cash. Now, the financial setback can be challenging, but when you get a windfall of cash, you have a unique opportunity to rebuild your credit score and secure a brighter financial future. Here are some strategic steps that you can take to make the most of this opportunity. You need to start by taking a comprehensive look at your current financial status. List all your debts, their interest rates, and outstanding balances. Understanding your financial landscape is crucial for making informed decisions. And with that, we wrap up today's business report.